channel. How are you all doing? So today's video is all about how to use retinol, AHA, BHA and vitamin C together like in a week. I'm going to give you this curated skincare regime that you should be following. With that, I'm also going to do a big giveaway announcement in the middle of the video. So do keep watching, like don't skip it so that you don't skip the giveaway, which is like going to be a huge one. So I'm really excited to share the details with you in this video. So let's get started. We have 7 days in a week, so how you can be dividing your days in such a way that you can incorporate all 3 of these skincare ingredients together. So with that, I'm also going to share with you all the products that I have here. You can see in this box. So first we will start with retinols. Number one, I've always talked about tretinoin, but definitely if you are using tretinoin and after consulting a doctor, this you can use. And the other one that I love is the Eclat retinol serum that I've already so many times recommended. I think the formulation of this one is killer. So one thing that I'm feeling is that on YouTube, not only are there so many people talking about skincare, suddenly so many YouTubers coming up with skincare videos, but with that so many brands are also coming up with the retinol serums. And so I do pat myself on my back because I think I was one of the first ones who actually started talking about retinol. So always choose good products, only 1 or 2 you buy. You don't need to buy 10 things, but go with the good ones, the good formulas. Then obviously Ordinary has always been like one of the favorites on my channel. I love this product, which is 1%. You can buy it from Stylotti. And another brand that I love the retinol from is the Pana Labs. This one also is a very good brand which you can try. So all of these are my recommendation of retinol. The other serums I have not tried, and many of them though are coming like recently, especially the Indian brands. I don't know how much of experience they have in the formulation. That we have to see, and that's totally up to you, whatever you want to use. What you do is you take any 2 days of the week in the beginning where you will be using retinol. So let's imagine that you are going to use Monday and Tuesday retinol. If you are a beginner, and if you are using tretinoin, then I would say use it only once a week. Now how do you use it? I've talked about this I think many times, but still let me just tell you again. So you have to just wash your face with a simple face wash. Then you apply any of these serums. You can apply Eclat, Ordinary or any other retinol serum that you have. You apply that. After that you apply normal moisturizer without any active and you go to sleep and you don't do anything else, right? Third day is the day when you use the AHA or BHA. You can use this one, which is the Pana Labs Glycolic Acid Toner, which is 7%. I have already shared the video of this one. Beautiful product. You can try this. And if you want to use a peel, you can use the Dot & Key AHA BHA, which is 10%. This is also very good. It has fragrance to it, but because it is a washout product, still I am giving the benefit of doubt. You can try this one. Even the Twak one, a lot of you were asking me to review that. I went through the ingredients and I think they look good, so you can try that also. Then obviously last but not the least is the Ordinary AHA BHA. We all know how this thing effective this product is, but it's very strong. So I wouldn't recommend that you directly jump onto it. You have to build up your resistance toward it. It is almost 30%, very strong. So go with these milder options that I shared with you, and then you can definitely graduate to that, and you can buy this one also from Stylotti if you are interested in AHA BHA. After that comes Thursday. So you have to do one thing. You have to give break to your skin. You will not use any kind of active on that day. So what do? You just wash your face. You apply a normal thick moisturizing cream, but without any actives, and that's it. You give break to your skin. Alright. So now after that comes Friday and Saturday. So on Friday and Saturday you can use special treatment creams, like suppose if you are using something for your dark spots like kojic acid, if you are using alpha arbutin, if you are using even the fade out. I remember I shared with this one for pigmentation and all. So if you have bought this and if you are confused how to use this one, so these are the 2 days when you can use this one. Fade out you can use for your pigmentation. You can use any other treatment creams that you are using specifically targeted for any skincare concern. Then again on Sunday, you give your skin another break. You don't use any kind of actives, and then you just give it a break by using a normal simple moisturizer. And on Monday, Tuesday, you are back again to retinol. Now let's talk about vitamin C. So vitamin C is something which has a lot of contradiction. A lot of people talk about using it at night time. Many people talk about using it at daytime. So I am one of those who thinks that vitamin C should be used in the morning, because I think it is antioxidant. It protects you from the sun rays and all, and number two, it gels so beautifully with sunscreen. It gives you like the double protection. So you can use vitamin C in the morning, and if you are one of those who thinks that I want to use it at night, then you can use it on Friday and Saturday, the treatment days. There you can use, because on the other days you can't use it. You can't use it with retinol, you can't use it with AHA, BHAs, okay? So the number one option, I remember long back, I talked about Sugandha Vitamin C Serum, which is 10%, and it's not even L-ascorbic acid. It's very mild and very good for the beginners or for the ones who have sensitive skin. Now moving on to the second one, which I recommended, was the Cipla one. This is very good. This is like dermatologist level vitamin C serum. You can try this. They do have three ranges. They have vitamin C X, which means 10%, 15% and 20%. So you can start with the 10% also if you don't want to buy the Sugandha one. The next one that I shared with you, if you are looking for affordable vitamin C serums, I shared with you the La Oregano one. You can try this also. This is I think almost sold out. I can only see it in the packages, which are like three products that you buy, then you get this. So if you want to really try it, you can buy that way, but otherwise I think it's almost sold out. So that's that. Then last one that I want to recommend is the Eclat Vitamin C Serum. This is 20% and very good, very effective. You can try this one also. It's a little pricey. So if you want to, you can buy this. If you can afford, then definitely you can try Eclat Vitamin C. Okay, so now is the time to actually talk about the giveaway. So I am going to give you like 4 people. I'm going to give you 2,500 worth of cash to each one of you. So what you have to do for that, the rules are: number one, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and that's very obvious, right? And then you have to watch my latest videos, give me suggestions, give me feedbacks, give me ideas. What do you think, what I should be making next? What do you want, what do you expect out of this channel? Do let me know the feedback and what are your thoughts and feelings. With that, do follow me on Instagram. You can DM me there. Do share my videos with your friends and family, and you can DM me those pictures on Instagram, and definitely I'll be very soon announcing the winners, the 4 winners of 2,500 rupee worth of coupon or cash, depending on whatever you want, very soon. So all the best to all of you, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.